everyone. Welcome to Kingdom Outreach. I'm Lady Yaya, and I'm just here to give you a few announcements. I would first like to welcome all our visitors. Thank you so much for taking out time to visit our church. We're so glad you're here. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the great service. Well, for your announcements, Power of God is starting tonight. It will be June 7th to the 12th. There's great speakers coming out, such as Paul Morton, Jamal Bryan. They have a lineup of speakers. So if you can, just join us and join our fellowship church, Bethany Baptist Church. Services will be held nightly at 7 p.m., as well as classes will be in the morning, and there will be services in the afternoon. If you have not registered, there's still time to register on gotobethany.com. June 13th, our youth will be having an event, so please, all youth leaders, please see our Reverend Denise Walker, anybody that wants to participate, for further details. You can reach our Reverend Denise Walker and any of our leadership at 856-323-8386. That is our church number, and you would just put in extension 705 for our Reverend Denise Walker. Also, the youth are requesting names of any youth that need prayer. Please give that to our brother Justice, or if you need any further details, please see our Reverend Denise Walker. June 20th, our outreach department will be going to the nursing home for Father's Day. So if there are any volunteers or anybody that would like to help them, please see our sister Pamela Reed or our sister Marianne Cole for any further details or to volunteer and help out. June 27th, our women's fellowship will begin at 3 p.m. Please see our sister Caritha Walker for any details, or you can reach her at 856-323-8386, and her extension will be 704. June 25th will be our new members class, so if you are a new member, if you're not a new member but you want to come, please come out. It will begin at 6:30, and it will be every second and fourth Thursday of the month, so we want you to get involved. June 28th is our deacons graduation. We're so excited. If you can come out and support our deacons, they've been working hard, but will they pass the test? Good question. So come out and join us on June 28th at 3 p.m. for our deacons graduation. Also, if you would like to be a part of the music department, please see our brother Blake Cole, or you can reach him at the church line. Again, that's 856-323-8386, and just put in extension 701 for our brother Blake Cole. If you would like to join the music department, singing, anything, just see our brother Blake Cole. Well, everyone, that is all our announcements. Thank you for visiting KO. Thank you for listening, and have a great service. Remember, here at KO, we believe God.
Faith, the power to move mountains. Even just a little bit goes a long way. Faith is kind of an out there concept. I mean, everyone has a little, even if it isn't in God. Like, you have faith that the chair you're sitting in isn't going to collapse. And you have faith that the car you drive isn't going to catch fire as you drive down the highway. It seems like there's a big element of trust involved here. I mean, maybe trust is a part of faith. We trust that the Bible's true, and we trust that God is who He says He is. Easton's Bible Dictionary says that the warrant, or the ground of faith, is the divine testimony. Not the reasonableness of what God says, but the simple fact that He said it. Alright, so if God says it, He will do it, regardless of how impossible it sounds. This should mean that if we have a right view of God, we will have faith. If I really do own and understand the nature and the truth of God, I will hold to and believe everything He says. I guess that would mean that living a life filled with faith would be a pretty good life. It's simple. God says something. I trust that He will do it because I know Him. And He does it. The impossibility of the situation is nothing. The time it takes to happen is nothing. The nature of who God is everything. My trust in who God is leads me to have faith in what He says. Simple. Faith. It's a key to the good life.